John Slattery Photography has been Greater Manchester's most trusted and recommended photographer for over 30 years. Dealing with a range of clients from schools to lawyers, we aim to provide the quickest and most comprehensive photography for you and your industry. We are specialists in all types of commercial photography, portrait, print, criminal injury, school, college and nursery photography, and much more. Whatever your requirements, we can tailor our services to your specific needs, and don't worry if you're nervous in front of the camera. Our photographers are experienced in working with anxious or shy customers, and we promise to bring the best out in you and give you photos you will be proud of. We use the top-of-the-range equipment in our studio, and our friendly photographers will deal with all the ordering and processing and provide a quick delivery. We come highly recommended and have a wide base of clients, so whether you're a school needing a class photo or an insurance claimant needing proof, John Slattery Photography is here to help. Call today for more information.